Adding family members to YouTube Premium is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device or go to the Google Play Store website on your computer. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner and select Account or go to play.google.com/store/account. Look for the Family section and select Set up Family or Family Group. Follow the prompts to set up your family group. You will need to designate yourself as the family manager and add payment information for the family group. After setting up your family group, you can invite family members to join. Open the Google Play Store app and go to the Google Play Store website. Access the Family section again and select Manage Family Members. Choose Invite Family Members and enter the email addresses of the family members you want to invite. They will receive an email invitation to join your family group. They will need to accept the invitation to become part of the group. Once your family group is set up and members have been invited and accepted, you can subscribe to YouTube Premium. Go to the YouTube Premium website or open the YouTube app on your device. Sign in with the Google account that you used to set up your family group. Subscribe to YouTube Premium using the same account. You will have the option to select the family plan. Family members who have joined your family group can now access YouTube Premium using their own Google accounts. They will need to sign in to YouTube using the Google account associated with your family group. Once signed in, they will have access to YouTube Premium benefits, including ad-free videos, background play, and offline downloads.